Hey, good morning, guys. Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're going to check out a pretty unique little house for a client. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-master suite. It's got side parking, backs to a wash. Hang out and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 2940 Alibi Drive. Real nice street. Nice houses all around, no junk. Lake view from down the street. Real clean. So you got some gated side parking. Nice landscaping. Sorry about any wind noise, a little windy today. Let's go check it out. So it's got a nice little courtyard with flagstone. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 1999, 1,536 square feet. Sits on a pretty big lot that backs to a wash. This house actually has 3 master suites. So you got tall floor-to-ceiling windows, double doors out to the backyard, vaulted ceilings, front kitchen. So they just came and cleaned it all. I guess the house was willed to the kids. Indoor laundry, man door to the garage, and your pantry right here. So you got your main master, I guess this would be called. This is kind of the bigger of the 3. It's on the back of the house. All new carpet. Dual sinks with solid surface counters. There is a skylight. Got your indoor, your walk-in shower. Walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. Slider out to the backyard. So you have bedroom number 2. Got a walk-in closet. Again, these are all 3 master suites, which is pretty rare in Havasu. All right, you have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Same setup, just flipped. Got a double slider closet door. Got a full bath back here. All right, so we have an extra wide 2-car garage. It's 23.5 feet wide. It's got a standard 7-foot door, but it does have this 52-foot drive-through bay. Got your water heater, expansion tank, water softener loop, all your irrigation home runs. It's got a utility sink, built-ins, little drive-through door. This house would be a perfect vacation rental setup, especially with the 3 masters, boat deep garage. Let's go check out the backyard. All right, so you have a nice patio on the back, lake views, backs to a really nice big wash for privacy. Plenty of room for a pool. It's already walled and fenced in. Tons of side parking. Tile roof. There's a little shot down the wash. See the lake down there. You could probably also have side parking on this side of the house if you removed a couple palm trees and made it work. All right, guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here in Alibi. Super clean, You know, it'd make a great rental with those 3 master suites and the boat deep garage and side parking. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, I will put all my contact information right below this video, so feel free to reach out to me anytime. Also put a direct link to the listing detail page down there so you can get all the original listing pictures and all the pertinent listing information, current price and all that. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.